China's aging population is worsening, with almost every family having elderly people. The old man is getting old and his legs and feet are inconvenient. But he still wants to go out and have a look. There is a girl in the UK who invented the sliding rail staircase handrail. At first glance, her design is very ordinary, consisting only of fixed railings and movable handles. But compared to other climbing machines, it does not take up space and has lower costs. When the elderly person goes upstairs and gently pushes, they can slide forward. When stopping or pulling down, the handle will get stuck and remain motionless, because there is a special card slot inside the handle, even if the elderly cannot stand firmly when going up and down stairs. As long as they hold the handle tightly, safety can be guaranteed. The girl won the British Young Engineer Award from the British Medical Industry Association for this design. In fact, for handling the detailed structure of stairs, we have many other methods, which not only meet safety requirements, but also take into account humanized design. Firstly, let's take a look at the method of stepping, walking in 2 levels. The method of stepping on the surface layer is generally similar to that of the floor. The requirements for the opposite layer are wear-resistant, anti-slip, easy to clean, and aesthetically pleasing. According to the decoration standards and cost, common tread surfaces include cement mortar, terrazzo, floor tiles, various natural stones, and so on. For stairs with high pedestrian flow, anti-slip and wear-resistant measures should be taken on the surface of the steps, usually by adding anti-slip strips at the corners of the steps. The 2 ends of the anti-slip strip should leave a gap of not less than 120 mm from the wall or railing board for cleaning and flushing. The material of the anti-slip strip should be wear-resistant, beautiful, and comfortable to walk. It can be made of iron filings, cement, silicon carbide, plastic strips, metal strips, rubber strips, mosaic, so on. The railings, boards, and handrails of stairs are safety facilities installed on the staircase, according to the width of the staircase, which are set on one or both sides, or in the middle of the staircase. They should meet the requirements of safety, sturdiness, aesthetics, comfort, simple structure, and easy construction and maintenance, according to their construction methods and materials. There are 3 types of railings: openwork balustrade, solid railings, and combination railings. Openwork. Generally, flat steel, round steel, and square steel are used, but materials such as wood and aluminum alloy can also be used for production. The size of the hollow flower formed by its rod should not be too large, generally not exceeding 110 mm. Buildings with frequent children's activities. Division of railings should be designed in a way that is not easy for children to climb. To ensure safety, the height of the stair handrail should not be less than 0.9 meter above the leading edge of the self-tread surface. The height of the handrail for outdoor evacuation stairs should not be less than 1.1 meters. And for high-rise buildings, it should be raised appropriately, but not more than 1.2 meters. When the length of the horizontal section of the indoor stair railing exceeds 500 mm, its height should not be less than 1.05 meters. The materials for the fence board are often bricks, steel wire mesh, cement plaster, reinforced concrete, so on. Mixed type. It refers to the combination of hollow pattern and railing style. The vertical bars of the railing are often made of materials such as steel or stainless steel, and the railing part is often made of lightweight and beautiful materials, such as wooden boards, plastic veneer panels, aluminum plates, organic glass panels, and tempered glass panels. On the top surface of railings and boards, we need to make handrails, and the cross-sectional size of the handrails should be easy to grip. The width of the top surface should generally not exceed 90 mm. The material of the armrest should be comfortable to the touch, generally made of hardwood, plastic, and metal pipes, steel pipes, aluminum alloy pipes, stainless steel pipes. The handrails on the top of the railing are often formed by plastering with terrazzo or cement mortar, and can also be veneered with marble, granite, or artificial stone. So how can we place the railing on the stair so that it is both safe and aesthetically pleasing? Let's talk about their connection structure below. Connection structure of railings and handrails. The connection between the railing and the handrail, as well as the combination of hollow and mixed railings. When using wooden or plastic handrails, at the top of the vertical pole of the railing, full-length flat steel is generally installed to mortise and tenon the bottom or side groove of the handrail, and fixed with wooden screws. The connection between metal pipe handrails and railing vertical bars is generally made by welding or riveting. The railing is usually installed on the edge of the step side or step surface in the following 3 ways. First, pre-embedded iron parts are welded at the corresponding position between the railing and the stair. Second, fill the reserved holes with fine aggregate concrete. Third, fixed with expansion bolts for drilling. To protect the railing and enhance its aesthetic appeal, a loop can be added underneath the railing. In this lecture, we mainly discussed the detailed construction of stairs, including the treatment of surface layers, the construction of railings and handrails, and the connection methods of corresponding components. In terms of the detailed construction of stairs, we may be able to do more humanized design, which we can explore in future learning and work.